Tanigo, a disposable and recyclable dental device combining the suction, mirror, and retraction functions to work simultaneously. Attached easily to the dentist's chair. The instructions of how Tanigo should be used, as demonstrated in the Tanigo tutorial, are appropriate to single practitioner procedures performed by hygienists, dental medical school students, and dentists who are compelled or choose to work without an assistant. Treating the lower right buccal area. Tanigo's suction and retraction functions operating simultaneously. Cheek buccal is retracted by the mirror side of Tanigo. The view to the treatment area is direct. Treating the lower right lingual area. Tanigo suction, retraction, and mirror functions operating simultaneously. Tongue is retracted by the backside of the Tanigo head. The view to the treatment area is indirect, via the Tanigo mirror. When required, tongue retraction is done by the Tanigo mirror side with a direct view to the treated area. Suction is done by all Tanigo intakes.